really weird clothing. Size it is my friend Gemma.
Really excited to be here, really happy to be in the studio today.
So for the reference, in this dress I'm wearing size dress 8 and Gemma wears is 14. If you want to have dress custom made for you because you're not sure what size you fall under, or you're in between the sizes, or you have, for example, a bigger waistline or a thinner waistline, so the best way here is to do custom made dress for you. You need to take your measurements and put them in the comment box, which appears on our website. When you add your dress to the cart, go to checkout and you will see add your comments here at the bottom of the screen.